Welcome back to our brand new toy video. Guys, see, we have many toys and colorful toys today, and I am going to show you all of them one by one by hand driving. So let's get started. The first one is a double-decker bus. Okay, so let's drive this. Okay, I parked this double-decker bus here. This is very nice in color, red and white color combination. This is very nice looking. There are small seats for the passengers inside the buses, and I think it can run very fast. So let's drive the next one. This one is a nice little helicopter. Okay, let's drive this. Okay, I parked this nice little helicopter behind the double-decker bus. This is very nice in color. It's yellow and pink color combination. It has 3 wheels under it and a little fan on the top of the cockpit. So this is very nice looking, and see, this is smiling at us. Very funny. So let's get the next one. Wow, this is very nice 3-wheeler. Let's drive this. Okay, I parked it here. This is very nice in color, yellow and white color combination. It has 3 wheels under it, and that is why it is called 3-wheeler. There is a rose picture on the top of it, and it is looking very nice. So I liked it very much. So I'm going to drive the next one. Wow, this is a very nice Air Force plane. Let's drive this. So I parked this nice Air Force plane behind the 3-wheeler. This is very nice in color, blue and silver color combination. It has 3 wheels under it, and I think it can fly very fast. This is looking very nice. So I'm going to get the next one. Wow, this is very nice. A double-decker bus. Let's drive this. This is a very nice double-decker bus, white and yellow color combination. It has 4 wheels, and there are seats for the passenger. I think it's looking very nice. I think you also liked it. So I parked it here behind the Air Force plane, and going to drive the next one. Okay, this is a super wrap bus. Let's drive this. So I parked this wrap bus behind the double-decker bus. This is very nice looking red and black color combination. It has 6 wheels under it and looking very smart. I think it can run very fast. It's very long, so I liked it very much. Let's drive the next one. This is a police bike. Okay, let's drive this. Guys, can you hear the ting ting sound? This is very nice looking. It can run very fast. Okay, so I parked this police bike here. There is a signal light behind this policeman, and it is very nice looking white and blue color combination. And this smart policeman is riding this bike. This is very nice looking. So let's drive the next one. This is a bullet train. Okay, let's drive this. Okay, I parked this bullet train behind the police bike, and this train is very nice looking. Yellow and blue color combination. It has 4 wheels under it. And see this train looking very nice, and it's very long. I think it can run very fast. So I liked it very much. And today I have completed driving all the vehicles that we have, and I think you liked it very much. So I hope we will see in the next video. Thank you.